Scientists believe that the coronavirus may have come from bats in a Chinese research facility. This assumption is based on a paper published by two scientists that only laid out a possibility that bats may be original source of coronavirus. As paper didn't present any evidence for it actually being the case, and it's still not believed that that is in fact the most plausible explanation. The coronavirus patent was applied for in 2015. This is just a misunderstanding. When the outbreak started, it was called coronavirus. Because the coronavirus isn't the name of this virus. It's a family of viruses actually. The patent applied for in 2015 was for a very different coronavirus vaccine research. Therefore, this thinking is not correct that the people knew about it in advance. Does runny nose and sputum you have means just a common cold, not COVID-19? It is true that a runny nose and sputum are less common symptoms of COVID-19, but it absolutely does not rule out that you have COVID-19. Some people who have COVID-19 have had a runny nose as a symptom, and 1/3 of patients had sputum. So it might be dangerous to think that I haven't got it when you may do. The children can't get the new coronavirus. It's not actually accurate. It is true that so far children seem to be less affected by it. Their symptoms are generally a bit milder, however it's not that they can't get it. In China there have been hundreds of children who have been hospitalized with it, and crucially the really important thing to realize is even if their symptoms are mild and they can still be infected and they can still pass on the infection. So the idea that children are somehow safe from this is not true. Wuhan is where 5G technology was first rolled out. Despite the fact that Wuhan was one of the earliest cities in China to get 5G technology pilots, but there is absolutely no scientific link between 5G and coronavirus. There are a huge number of conspiracy theories about 5G technology and that they will by large pin the blame on any illness on 5G. Dettol antiseptic spray says it kills coronavirus. Yes, Dettol bottles do say on it, but they are effective against human coronavirus. COVID-19 is a new virus and there is only limited information about it. It is likely that common disinfectants can kill it because common disinfectants kill most coronaviruses. However, it's too early to say for sure. Jacob Rothschild owns the patent to coronavirus. Yes, there was a patent, but there is nothing whatsoever suggest that Jacob Rothschild has anything to do with coronavirus. Patent over human coronavirus has no links to novel coronavirus or COVID-19. Scientists knew about the new coronavirus long ago and called it Disease X. This is wrong. The World Health Organization event and conference and subsequent paper just listed that the disease acts as being one of the threats facing the world. That wasn't coronavirus. That was just the fact that they knew that a new disease could emerge that might cause this problem, which scientists have known for a long time. That something like this was very likely to happen, they just didn't know what it would be. That's why they call the disease X. It was just a placeholder.